NextGen Material Testing, GenGrind FA-IC 250D, Automatic Metallographic Sample Grinding Polishing Machine. Adapted single-point loading and center loading technology. It can do coarse grinding, fine grinding, and coarse and fine polishing work. One machine can process 6 types of samples at a time. The LED light screen makes observing the work process easier. The double working plate is independently operated. One machine can do 2 different tasks, greatly improving working efficiency. A touchscreen with programmable control and an urgent stop button ensures the machine's easy and safe operation. Request a quote at nextgentest.com.